The purpose of this workshop was to really celebrate the amazing capacity, experience and knowledge from the UK and from Colombia, and to bring people from a whole range of organisations together to see how we could tackle together, talking to people about the environment in the best way. The reason that it's really important for scientists to engage with the public is because they have amazing stories to tell, really interesting content to share. But also I think they're starting to recognise that people themselves are really important in informing their research, keeping it relevant and adding to the wealth of knowledge that they are starting to accumulate for themselves. We've seen some fantastic ideas in Colombia. It's been incredibly inspirational to see all the Colombian institutions coming together, sharing their knowledge, sharing their creativity. There's huge potential for collaboration here. Only together can we tackle some of these enormous challenges that we are facing. But I feel really hopeful for the future that we've got a great group of people who are more than up to the task.